Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is BRcrochet. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my tutorial. So today we'll be learning how to make a daisy bralette or a daisy bikini. So everything we'll be needing for this tutorial, we'll be needing balls of yarn of different color. If you like, you can use one color, but we'll be using different color right now. A 4.0 millimeter hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get into this video. The first thing we'll do is pick our first color. We're going to be making a ring, so make a knot. Chain 3, 2, 3. Go back to the first chain to make a ring. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3. Then make 11 extra double crochet into the ring. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have our 12 double crochet. Then slip stitch into the first stitch like this. Chain 2, then cut your yarn. So we have our circle. Then we are going to go in with our next color, make a popcorn stitch. So go into any stitch here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make extra 3 double crochet. So you have 2 to complete 4. 3, 4. Go into the first stitch here and pull through like this. Chain 2, go into the next stitch, make 4 double crochet, 2, 3, 4. Remove your hook, go into this space here, then pull through everything together like this. Chain 2, go into the next. So you'll be repeating the same till you get to the 12 double crochet. So 3, 4 like this. Remove your hook from the yarn, from the loop, go into the space here, the first stitch here, cross to the other side, then pull through. Chain 2, repeat the same process so you have your 12 double crochet completed. So 2, 3, 4. Go into the first stitch you can find here, then pull through. Chain 2, So we have our circle completed, and this is what it's looking like, and this is what the back is looking like. So you're going to slip stitch. You're not going to slip stitch here, but here. So find this stitch here and slip stitch. Chain 2, then cut your yarn. Press down, then weave in. Like this. Pick our last color, which is the pink. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. Chain 1 more, that's 4. So we're going to make a triple crochet. So cross over 1, cross over 2. So you're crossing over 2 times, so which is giving 3 loop like this. Then pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, then pull through the last 2. Same thing. Cross once, cross the second time, go in, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you are pulling 3 times. Chain 3, then cross, pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, pull through 2, 3. So you're going to have 6 in a cluster. So you're going to have 6 treble crochet in a cluster. Chain 1, then go into the next cluster and make 3 double crochet. 2, 3. So chain 1, put in 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, put in 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, like this. Chain 1. Then we are creating our next corner, so we're going to be putting in treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3, like this. Pull through 2, 1, pull through 2, 2, then pull through 3. Same thing. Pull through 2, pull through 2, then pull through 2. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, put in 3 double crochet into the next 3. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 again. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to create our last corner. So chain 1, then treble crochet. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Chain 1, put in 3 double crochet into the next 3. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, chain 1, then slip stitch on top here like this. So this is what we are having. So we are having a triangular shape for our bikini. So right now you're going to put in single crochet round. So single crochet into the big cluster. We are putting in 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet like this. So then you're going to put in 1 single crochet into every stitch you can find, into every stitch, including here. So put in single crochet into every stitch you can find. So now we are working on the edges to have a neater work. So single crochet. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share. So you're going to be having something like this. To the next big cluster, put in 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet, then put in 1 single crochet. So when you get to the border, so our corner, so when you get to the corner, you are always putting in 2 single crochet, chain 1, 2 single crochet. But where there's no corner, you are putting in 1 double crochet into every stitch. So see when we get to the last stitch. So we are back to where we said our single crochet from, like this, and this is what we are having. This is what I'm having. So this is what you should be having, like this. So I'm just going to slip stitch till you get back to the corner, like this. Chain 2, cut your yarn, press down. You're just going to tie. Cut your yarn. So you should be having something like this. The second color, which is the cream color, and make a long rope, long enough to tie around the neck. 60 chain, a long rope. So if you're using a 2-strand yarn, you can double it, triple it, so you can have a strong rope to tie around the neck. So make a long chain, long enough to tie around the neck. Cut your yarn. Going to cut out the excess yarn. So this is what I'm having. So you're going to make a long rope for, so we have the second side here, and this is what we are having. So this is what we are having. You're just going to make a long rope, pick 2 strands and make a long rope. A long rope, long enough to wrap around the waist. Maybe 100 chains, just long enough to wrap around the waist. So like this. So we are done with our long rope. I'm just going to fix in like this. Just fixing your rope. So this is what I'm having. Like this. And for the neck, you're just going to tie like this. Cut your yarn, tie, then cut your yarn. Then cut. Do same for this. Then cut. Same for this. Then cut. So this is what we are having. Thank you for watching till the end. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. Bye.